How to make Vietnamese Spring Rolls. Let's start with the filling. Use glass noodles or vermicelli noodles and soak it in hot water for about 5 to 8 minutes. Extract as much water as possible with a clean towel. Place noodles in a large bowl and use scissors to cut the noodles into shorter lengths. As an optional filling, I'd like to add some crunch with carrots and peanuts. Cooked shrimps are vital in this recipe, and I'd like to season it with olive oil and salt. On to the first sauce, the peanut sauce. Use 1/2 cup peanut butter and 1/2 cup water. Add 2 tablespoons sherry vinegar or rice vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Add a little bit of toasted sesame oil and maple syrup. You can add brown sugar if you don't have it. I'd like to add a bit of crunch again with my crushed peanuts and mix everything together. Second dipping sauce, nok jam. Add 1/3 cup warm water with 3 tablespoons sugar. Pour in 2.5 tablespoons fish sauce, chili, loads of garlic, and a dash of lemon or lime juice. Here's the super fun part. Wet the rice paper on lukewarm water, place it on top of a towel, add lettuce, glass noodles, carrots, crushed peanuts, and start rolling the rice paper together with the lettuce and stop midway and add the sliced shrimps. Repeat the rolling process until you're done. Ta-da! A healthy and yummy way to feed your family. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking!